There are two parts to editing a template in Joomla, so we are going to break that down. The first part is editing the options that the template developer has provided you, and the second part is editing the modules within Joomla. And so in this particular section, we are going to take a look at how to edit the options that the template developer has given us. So now that our template is installed, we can go down to our template manager, either here on the left or by going to Extensions, Template Manager in the top menu. For my particular site, I have Food World as the default template, and that is the one I'm going to edit. So I will click on that, and you'll see now here there are a number of options that the template developer has given me to edit without having to go into the code. So if we go back to my main site, I can see that there is the Food World logo there. There's a small custom logo, if you can see it here below, and that is the standard for this particular template. I want to customize it so it's more my feel. So going back to my control panel, I can choose either to have an image logo, if I already have my own logo created, or if I just want to replace it with some text. I'm going to select the text logo, and I'm going to change the name of my site. If you do have an image that you would like to upload, you can simply click on the select button, browse for the image on your computer, and upload it here. I can choose whether or not I would like to have the slogan, so I can hide that, or if I do want to have the slogan directly below the logo, I can add the text here. I'm going to hide mine momentarily. I can also choose whether I want to edit the footer text, if I want to show the social buttons so people can connect with me online. You'll see here at the bottom of my site that there are a few logos that are already there. So I will leave those there, and then I can enter my own Facebook, Twitter, Google+, etc. URL right here. So when visitors click on those logos, they will be taken directly to my social media accounts. If I do have Google Analytics, I can easily just paste my account number here without having to go in and to the code and copy the whole thing. Back to the top module means when a user scrolls to the bottom of the page, there will be an icon here. It's this small arrow, and if they click it, it will take them all the way back to the top of the site. So you can choose whether or not you would like to display that on all the pages. So I'm going to leave that. It's a nice feature to have. Moving on, there's now the slides. We can choose whether to have the slide show on all the pages or some of the pages. I'm going to do only on the home page. I'm going to leave it at 4. Here I can change the slide description, and I will enter my titles, which obviously I can come back here and edit at any time. And down below I can upload my slides, and you'll see it gives a custom size here. So I will select, and just as we did before, I will go ahead and choose the files to upload. I have a few slides already set aside. I will upload those. I'll click on my first slide and insert it. Click on my second slide and insert it, a third, etc. Obviously you can continue with as many as you want. And we will click Save and Close. And after we receive our successful message, we can return to the main page and look at the changes. We can see the new logo, we can see the new slides, we can see the new descriptions. So if you've picked out a good template, you'll have these options available to you in the template manager. So stick around for the next part, and let's look at how to further customize your template with modules.